Welcome back to Worthington Model Railway in a very quick video, just testing my new video camera. Sometimes I get frustrated because I can't, with my current camera, get things in focus, get them to stay in focus. It can be very frustrating. And even when it gets things into focus, it doesn't necessarily keep them in focus. So I decided to invest in a new camera. So today I'm going to show you the results. So anybody who's interested to know what the camera is, it's a Panasonic. It's an HC-V785. As you can see, you can get very close up with this, and it does an excellent job. So here I am with my new camera, and I just sort of thought I'd do a little test here to see how well it works. Now, this camera supposedly is very good on close-up and autofocus, and so hopefully if I pull this up, we should be able to see things, and everything should stay totally in focus, and hopefully we can read everything that's on this wagon. And similarly, if I go to the end of the wagon and we look at it, and it seems to be working very well. So hopefully this solves my problem that I had with my other camera, with the thing going in and out of focus constantly. So I just thought we'd start with a couple of these private owner wagons and see how well it picks out the detail on these. Here's a third one, and I think this is working really well. So let me get something else to look at. So here we have the new Hornby 9F Evening Star that I looked at just a few days ago. Well, I say a few days ago, a couple of weeks ago, I suppose now. So I thought we'd use this as an example so we can start to look at how well this picks up detail. So here's the tender, and I think we see the lining there. And come along here. I think we can see this doing a pretty good job of showing the detail, and hopefully staying in focus as we move this around. And we're looking at the firebox detail here. I think this is definitely doing an excellent job. I'm very pleased with how this camera works. So this is going to be my new go-to for doing reviews and looking at models, etc., etc. So I'll put this back down. So I thought for this exercise I'd find something with quite a lot of printing on it, and some very fine printing at that, so we can see how well the camera works in terms of looking at this very fine printing on this wagon. Hopefully you can see pretty much everything there, and this does stay in focus, seems, without too much of an issue. Great. I'm pleased with the camera. I think it does an excellent job. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Please like the video if you liked it. You can also subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and there's a button to the top right to subscribe. You'll find another video to the top left.